Hello, and welcome back to AML Pro Code. Today, we're diving into unsupervised learning, where AI discovers hidden patterns without any labeled data. Unlike supervised learning with labeled examples, unsupervised learning works with raw, unlabeled data to find patterns automatically. Imagine you have customer purchase data, but no categories. AI can automatically group similar customers based on their buying behavior. This helps businesses discover customer segments and make smarter marketing decisions without any prior labeling. First type, clustering. Algorithms like k-means group similar data points together. Example, grouping customers by shopping habits to target them with personalized offers. Second type, dimensionality reduction. Techniques like PCA simplify complex data sets while keeping important information. This helps AI process complex data like images faster while preserving key patterns. Real-world applications include market basket analysis, discovering which products are bought together, anomaly detection for fraud prevention, and customer segmentation for targeted marketing campaigns. Advantages: works without labeled data and uncovers hidden insights. Challenges: difficult to evaluate and sensitive to messy data. That's unsupervised learning. If this was helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe to AML Pro Code for more tutorials. Next up, reinforcement learning, where AI learns by trial and error. Don't miss it.